Good morning, I am SK from Asian Institute of Medical Science, Super Specialty Hospital in Delhi, NCR, India. So today I am with General Kessaye. He is a retired general from Army, Ethiopia. So he had a heart problem and he came for India for invasive TAVI procedure. So he will share his experience while he was with Asian Institute of Medical Science. Sir.
Thank you for having me. As he has mentioned it, I had a problem with my heart and my doctor told me that I have to go abroad for valve replacement. And he recommended that India is the best place for this treatment. I looked around some hospitals here in India, and incidentally, our foreign minister knew that I'm going to have this treatment. He just called the Indian ambassador in Ethiopia to look for a decent hospital. I really thank the Excellency Indian ambassador in Ethiopia. My first person I got was SK. He is a guy who knows his job very well. He explained everything to me. He sent me all the profile of the hospital, the courses and everything. And then I decided to come in here. I asked him additional informations. He gave me the telephone number of names and telephone numbers of Ethiopians who had been treated in here. Incidentally, two doctors which I know were my friends. I called them. They told me initially they came to India, they looked around hospitals, then they came to this one. They saw the hospital. It was okay. The guest house was very near. So they decided. After they got into the hospital, number one, the treatment was quite good, they told me. Second thing, the hospitality of the guys working in the hospital is superb. And this information which friends gave me, that pushed me to go on with this one. So I came in, they welcomed us with a bucket of flour at the airport. The driver, he took us to the hotel. We rested for one day there, and then we came here. They looked to the file which has been sent from Ethiopia, and then they advised me that they will go and check in their own way. They checked, and finally, their findings and how they are going to proceed with it, they advised me on that one. It was so great for me, and I'm happy. I'm back into my health. I will communicate this to, actually in the media, I have to thank some of the friends who helped me. I will mention also about the hospital. I will even recommend to Ethiopians, if ever they go for such or another type of treatment, it's better to go to Asian Institute of Health. Now, finally, I don't have the words to say. My staying was just like I'm staying in the home. The hospital director personally, he came to my bed. He asked me if there is any problem. I said there is no problem. I told him how people treated me, their courtesy, their hospitality also I have communicated to him. This thing also I'm going to communicate to the Indian ambassador upon my return. Thank you for helping me. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. So he thanks him for choosing Asian Institute of Medical Science, and as we assured him that the treatment you'll get the best. Apart from the treatment, you'll get the best hospitality also, and I hope you got the best hospitality, best treatment in every respect. So tomorrow he is going back. He will have a safe flight tomorrow, and whenever we come to Addis Ababa, we'll meet you there, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good stay. If you come to Ethiopia, we'll be meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.